gonna start this video a little bit ahead because I want to say a few things before we get going to this next wash. So within the first hour this video goes live, I will be graduating college at this very moment, so a little bit of a special day for me. So yeah, still in Longview, the final car wash of my college life, basically. A few days ago, I got a notice. It was from somebody else. It wasn't online or anything. And I don't know why they didn't announce it, but Cave Wave in Longview is finally open, and they're doing free washes for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna go take advantage of that. Just past this light, free car wash on the sign. Someone's holding up another sign too. I've heard good things about Cave Wave, so it's like locally owned and operated too. Looks like a pretty nice place. The vacuums are packed. Yep, normal pricing is the big 4, but it's 16 for the second tier wash instead of 15. Looks like we'll have to just go through this line a little bit. I'll drop the window down so I can hear what's going on. In addition to 25, there's add-ons. So let's see, 4, 4, 4, and 3. So that's $15 worth of add-ons. So you could get up to a $40 wash if you wanted. Although that's actually included in the top wash, so yeah. Oh, they're giving out little pamphlets, so another one for my little pamphlet collection thingy.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an item by touching the option on the screen. If you have a wash ticket,
doing all right.
on the barcode reader
so for the free
now.
car wash, you're going to get the Tidal Wave Package. You get everything on this menu for free.
Right.
For the first month we were open, you can do 1 month for 1 penny. That's right, 1 month for 1 penny. And for the first 2 weeks we were open, you could do 2 pennies for 2 months on any of the packages you want.
I don't think I wanted any packages right now.
Okay, that's no problem. You have a blessed day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Yes, sir. You enjoy that car wash.
Please take your receipt. Thank you for your business.
Thank you for your business and God bless. Got a little pamphlets. Oh, it's an exciting time at the car wash when they're doing free washes. Not too often though I do it. This place actually replaced a really old abandoned tunnel. I think a future tunnel. Sip, get a free $25 wash. Oh, sweet. Another Accutrac in here. This one. Like 4 top brushes in this thing. I don't know if I've been to another wash that had that many. I could be wrong though. But a really solid place. I'm impressed. Let's see how these dryers do. Impressive. Or actually, that's the abandoned car wash over there I was talking about. It's right next to it. That used to be a Accutrac tunnel, I'm pretty sure. So, really solid wash. I like it. Sip, get a free $25 wash. Oh, sweet. Another Accutrac in here. This one. 4 top brushes in this thing. I don't know if I've been to another wash that had that many. I could be wrong though. But a really solid place. I'm impressed. Let's see how these dryers do. Impressive. Or actually, that's the abandoned car wash over there I was talking about. It's right next to it. That used to be a Futura tunnel, I'm pretty sure. So, really solid wash. I like it. Although, yeah, it's going to put up some competition with the new local wash place. But yeah, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And that'll be it.